Hello, namaste, how are you all? I am okay, hope the same from your side. You are doing? We all want to be happy, we want to be successful, we want to be healthy. Everyone, we live for that, or we feel that I should be successful. I want to be happy. Then, for this, we should have some rules and regulations. We should know something. We should have a roadmap. What is that roadmap? Let us see. First of all, while doing anything, don't feel that you are a loser. No. Even if you are not successful once, twice, or thrice, try again and again till you get success. Keep on moving. Never quit. Another very important is, remember that whatever we learn in the school or college or when we finish our education, we get a degree in our hand. That degree certificate is not enough. We need so many new things, new skills. So whatever is needed, keep on learning it. Don't think my education is over means now there is no need to learn anything. No. Throughout our life, we should be the students. So keep on learning. Make yourself more and more strong. And next, one thing is, nowadays what people are doing is, they follow and they invest the things without having any proper knowledge. They look at a video or someone and just follow it. No, it is not enough, because it is our plus points, our minus points, which will help us to be successful or the failures. So we should know what is my strength, what is my weakness, and nobody will understand it more than you. You are your best friend, I will tell you. Though the whole world tells that no, it won't be possible for you to do it. No, don't listen to them, but to listen to yourself. Ask yourself, can I do this? If yourself, your Atma tells yes, you can, go ahead. So don't pay any attention to others. Invest your time, invest everything if you and your inner voice tells yes. And you are knowing, whatever you do, whatever work you start, you won't get success overnight. Remember it. It takes time. It is having its own time needed for it. Suppose you are having a seed and you will be needing a plant to give you flowers, fruits and all. It takes time, isn't it? Even if you plant it, sowing the seed, then the plant comes, then it turns into trees, then it gives you flowers, fruits. It takes its own time. In the same way, even whatever work we do, it takes its own time. Nothing you will get overnight. There is no word like overnight success. So remember that it takes its own time. Now, many times what happens is when the new year comes or when a new month starts, we always say that, okay, from New Year onwards I will do this, or from Monday onwards I will do it, from next month I will do this. No doubt you may do it for a few days, but what happens afterwards? If you don't get success, you quit it. Don't do like it. It takes time. So, work on it. Remember that. You have to work for days and years together. Work on it, and then only success will be yours. And don't blame others. Many times I have heard some people blaming their parents, blaming their colleges, their teachers, environment, everything. Look at your own self. See, whatever the parents do, they do for the good of their children. They never think that my child shouldn't come up in life. No, never. That is why don't blame them. If any fault lies, it lies in you, not in others. If you look around and see, look at some successful people whom you think they are success. Whether they were all rich from their childhood? No. Whether they were all good in studies in their childhood, right from the childhood? No. Whether their environment was always positive? No. Even then, they were able to come up in life. Why it happened? Because they believed in themselves. Self-belief. Self-belief is very, very important. So believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, you can be successful easily. And don't pay attention towards others. What they're telling, what they're talking about you, this and that. No. Don't look at others and follow any new course, any new work or anything. Because for each and every work, some special skills are needed. If you are having those skills, you will be successful. Just by looking at him, he did this and he is successful, so I want to follow. No, never. We have to look at our own selves. Ask yourself, have the deep self-talks. Learn about yourself. That is very, very important. If you understand yourself, if you are having self-belief, within no time you can be successful. And as I told you before, throughout your life you should keep on learning. We should be the students till our last moment. It helps us. And remember, day by day, in every way, I am getting better and better. Tell these affirmation every day, whatever if I do today, tomorrow I should be better than this. So always keep on working for that, day by day, in every way. I am getting better and better. See, it will work. You will be successful. you will be happy in your life. Have a good day.